Lightning strikes the moment everything changes. Some events in life are not gentle transitions. They are lightning strikes. One moment you are living inside a story that feels predictable. The next moment, it's gone. No warning, no soft landing, just impact. Lightning does not ask if you have dependents. It does not ask if your business is stable. It does not ask if your marriage can withstand it. It just strikes. And our nervous system goes into survival. The body braces. The identity contracts. But here is the part we do not speak about enough. After lightning strikes, the landscape is changed. And so are you. You are not meant to go back to who you were before. You are meant to become the woman who can stand in the aftermath and choose what rises next. That is not bypassing. That is creative power.